Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today, I would like to talk to you about this perfume. I hope, guys, that the weather is very good in your place where you are. Just like today, I have a fantastic weather. Not very warm, but actually it's pretty sunny here. And I want to tell you as well that last time, my latest perfume that I unboxed was Zara's perfume. I think that I opened one of the perfume there, like which one did I open? I opened Tokyo, Elegantly Tokyo, but this time, guys, I will unbox this one. It's by RASASI. We will talk about it, guys. I will have to read a little bit as well on internet just to see what it is. But also, I want to tell you that that I also had this one, The Reach by RASASI. I unboxed it for you guys. I opened it before and. This was The Reach. It was my first perfume by RASASI, I must tell you, this one. So there is for man and there is for woman. So I have a female version here, guys. And you know what? It's pretty good. But longevity is very poor. You can check my review there, like, but it's very pleasant. It's so nice, so kind of really kind of feminine, that type of floral perfume, white floral, powdery, and a lot of peach plus white floral and powdery, but not too powdery, which is very nice, guys. I'm very happy about this perfume. It's very pleasing perfume. Longevity, it's a big minus for this perfume. I don't think I would repurchase it again. That's what probably describes the most the perfume. If somebody tells you that, let's say, I don't think I will repurchase it again, even though it's nice. So that means could be some kind of, maybe for me, for example, longevity is poor, and plus, even though it's very nice, it's still maybe missing something in order to purchase again. But I'm not regretting, guys, at all that I purchased, because it's very nice to try it at least one time. So the Reach perfume by RASASI. Where should I put it, guys? Maybe I could put it to hide my coffee, maybe here. So let's do like that. So this particular perfume, The Reach by RASASI, you can see it over here. But today, guys, what we will be opening this perfume. It's Secret Eau de Parfum Pour Femme RASASI. I don't know, is it French? No, it's basically in Dubai, made in Dubai, this perfume. So guys, we will open it now. I'm feeling very thirsty. I will drink my coffee, guys. Okay, so very quickly, guys, the main accords: floral, white floral, citrus, fruity, rose, powdery, musk. So floral and white floral. I like the idea, guys, that it's white floral. I recently started to like a lot white florals, like from Zara, that Elegantly Tokyo. It's very nice, and this one, The Reach, is very nice too. So if it says white floral, it could be that this perfume will also might possibly have this type of beautiful scent. So it says floral fruity scent for women. Top notes, let me open it. Secret. Top notes: apple blossom, camellia. What do they mean? Is it like a chamomile? Okay, peach. So I like peach in this one. I think, guys, Secret is perfume that it was released long time ago, I think, but it doesn't say when. So orange, violet, leaf, rose is middle note, and then lily of the valley, mandarin orange, jasmine, tangerine. Base notes are musk, honeysuckle, cedar, and sandalwood. Seems to be perfume that could be quite feminine again, just as you can see from the picture. And then let's see, guys. So yeah, beautiful type of notes, a lot of notes. Must be something that pretty wearable. Let's see, guys, what people say. People say that it's long lasting, or no, mostly they say moderate lasting. It definitely says it's for female, and it definitely says good value. And then also, guys, people say what other people say. Simply they say, for those who loved Tommy Girl by Tommy Hilfiger, then they should buy this. I don't think I was very into that one, but so some people say one of the best fresh florals. And then some other people say that it reminds them Flora Botanica. you know, perfume which I never tried before. I never tried Flora Botanica myself, you know. So when you open this perfume, you can see there is a lot of pinkish colors right there. So a lot of pink, which is great. So really, guys, it must tell you that it's for female. Everything is for female here. This is brilliant. What is this, for an example? Some kind of bubbles, and then those things probably always means that it's like original, I guess, you know, like some people say not bad. They say grassy jasmine, and then it's perfect for hot and humid weather, and then they wouldn't repurchase again. Nothing special. I kind of, you know, how to say to you, when somebody says they wouldn't repurchase again, that is a big saying, you know. So as you can see, this type of feminine, let me push the Darij one somewhere else, and let's leave this one secret over here. Look at the bottle, guys. RASASI bottle. Isn't it pretty, guys? Like, I don't know, I don't think you can see the pure beauty, you know, of this perfume, but it's kind of like this, you know, secret perfume, that type of perfume. I never had this type of bottle like this. Like, look how nice it is, guys, to hold simply in your hand, you know. The bottle is just brilliant, guys, really brilliant. So what I will do, guys, I will just simply spray it on myself right now. Let's see. Let's see. Pink, everything pink. Okay. So when somebody said, guys, that this one, you know, that Tommy girl, you know, that Tommy by Tommy girl, you know, that perfume by Tommy Hilfiger. So probably, yeah, that's good. Could be. It's not bad. There is this white florals there, but maybe because I just sprayed right now, it's kind of hitting my nose. Little bit, how to say, white floral, but it really reminds me of that Tommy Hilfiger perfume. Reminds me as well of this Sarah Jessica Parker. That there is, you know, the lovely perfume, but there is another version of that lovely perfume, not the original. There is another one that you probably wouldn't know. The bottle is a bit different. White floral that is sharp and hitting the nose. If you are, let's say, you know, like from Middle Eastern perfume, like which one would that be? Rawat al-Musk. Rawat al-Musk has that type of hitting the nose, that type of little bit sharpness, you know, but this one has some peach, so that sweetness. This one is sweeter. This type of acidic white floral, a little bit sweet sharpness, a little bit, because this perfume, guys, wasn't made, you know, that long ago. So you can actually clearly probably see, guys, that this perfume is, you know, kind of a little bit gives you the hint of the old times, but not too much, because there is white floral, so of course it gives you that freshness feeling, you know. There's this type of vibe of little bit kind of old times, you know. Yeah, guys, I don't think it's very special, this perfume, you know. Again, wouldn't repurchase. Questionable the longevity again. Which one, let's say, which one is better, this one or this one? I would say this one is better. This one is better, but they have similarity in probably, I don't know about longevity of this one, but I can feel that they are on the lighter side, you know, that they both are kind of white floral and on the lighter side. They both have peach, but this one is a little bit nicer. This one has a sharp white floral, like acidic white floral, you know. So that's the thing. What other people say, they feel some kind of synthetic, so that sharpness, which is probably, that was synthetic. And then, you know what else? There's not a lot of reviews, you know, not a lot of reviews about this white floral. So I can imagine, guys, myself spraying this perfume in, for an example, in summer, you know, in summer, or when I want to refresh myself. White floral perfume, but not like super special. Like, let's say I maybe like more of that Zara Elegantly Tokyo more than this one, you know. There is that rose as well. Maybe that rose makes the things like this to seem like from old time, you know, type of thing. Do you guys have this perfume? Let me know. The price was very cheap of this, very affordable, you know, this type of perfumes are very, very affordable. Manufacture date was 2021. And now it's 2023. So how many years it lasts, I don't know. But anyway, interesting to try. So now, guys, I have two perfume for women, and so I'm discovering this RASASI brand. So they both are on the lighter side. Like, for example, Latafa could be many of them heavy perfumes. Ardal Zafran, you can discover some kind of lighter perfumes, but they are mixed in an interesting way. And these two were kind of white florals, kind of even more lighter, you know. So RASASI perfumes, interesting to try, guys, interesting. So which RASASI perfume, guys, that you have is the best in your opinion? Let me know. For me, this one is the second perfume that I have. It's beautiful, those bottles, guys, really beautiful, I would say. And that's it, guys. So that's all what I feel, kind of white florals. White florals, again and again, with rose. Nothing too special. I don't think you can mesmerize, you know, the crowd with this perfume. Maybe the price, guys, already says a lot, isn't it? Let me know what do you think about this perfume. I'll be back to you, guys. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.